Now on this Toyota key, I've already started by making a slight slice. You'll see around the side where that seam is. On this side, dum-dum. Now when I pry this open, you're going to see that it's going to expose this chip. I'm going to show you once I get this thing fully opened what you were looking at. So picking up from where I left off right there, I did the one slice, I did the other one on the other side. What I've done is I started right here at the top before this extra piece of rubber, which is useless and you don't have any required because there'll be a little nib of plastic that's holding these two together. But in this case, this key is not that way. So you'll notice that when I remove this, I left this Toyota plastic and emblem all intact. So when I get done doing what I have to do butchering this key, I can put this back and make it look like nothing ever happened. Right there, that piece of lead type of stuff, that there is your transponder chip. That's what we want to get. So what I've done is I've just taken my regular household knife, nothing fancy, and I've just taken out that little piece of plastic and another one up on the top, so that way it'll allow me to free this transponder chip out. This is all you need. This is the transponder.